Hello and thanks for tuning in. I'm sitting here at the breakfast table with a little FANAL TX50F sent to me by Victor. His username is VDE. I recently made a comment on Boston Bill's channel when he picked the same brand of lock, the cross size lock. The comment basically was that I had never seen one of these locks sold in Norway, and I was looking for one, and Victor offered to send me one. Of course, I highly appreciated it, Victor. Thank you very much. But he challenged me to single pin pick it instead of raking it. So that's what we're gonna try to do. I'm gonna use standard pry bar, applying tension, and a little hook from Sparrows. So let's see if we can earn the lock from Victor. This lock doesn't have any security pins, but a total of 16 pins make it time consuming. Of course, if we throw the tension wrench away, it's going to take even longer time. I think we're good there. Just going to start to feel for a binder. Sweep along the pin stacks, feeling for that speed bump which indicates a binding pin. Give it a little lift with the pick. And hopefully we'll get every 16 pins within a decent amount of time. Even though it's not a high quality lock, 16 pins is 16 pins. It will take some time. Because regardless of how crappy the lock is, there are some binding order and you have to find it, basically. So I'm just working in a circle here, doing the top, left, bottom, right, top, back to the top, left, feels okay. I think we got every 4 pin on the left side. I think we're done with the bottom. Some springiness on the right, so let's see if there's something binding in the top section. Thought I felt something behind the tension wrench. Let's check left just to be sure. And then the bottom. I think the pin there, binding, and there we go, open. Yeah, and it slipped, but 16 pin, cross lock, FANAL, picked single pin picking. Thanks again, Victor, for the lock, and thanks for watching.